Leigh's technical bulletins further expand the D4R jig's capabilities. A simple procedure will help you route beautiful inlaid through and half-blind dovetails. The D4R can produce the simple angled corners on this cradle or the compound angles on this planter box. With the D4R, you can route strong and decorative end-on-end dovetails in boards up to 3/4 of an inch thick. Perfectly aligned shelf pinholes and notches are fast and easy with the D4R. The guide fingers are easily positioned to allow plunge routing of shelf pinholes and their matching notches. All technical bulletins are free. You can download them from the Leigh Jigs website. When you buy a Leigh dovetail jig, you aren't faced with purchasing extras to start producing perfect dovetails. The jig package includes bridge pieces for half-blind dovetails and a cross-cut fence for sliding dovetails. Each D4R comes with a fully illustrated user guide, and for those who like to see the jig in action, a very detailed instructional DVD. You also get a Leigh square drive screwdriver to easily make finger adjustments, a 7/16" template guide bush, and 3 superior strength 8mm shank bits and a 1/2" to 8mm collet reducer. Through, half-blind and sliding dovetails right out of the box. Everything you need in one package. Infinite joint spacing. Fast, powerful clamping. Easy and precise jig adjustments. And rugged construction. With the D4R, you get it all. The most versatile dovetail jig in the world.